Mayday, requesting an emergency ditching. We are losing altitude fast. Brace for impact. Oh God, we're going down. Please follow instructions. Help! We need help over here! Stay calm, everyone. Move to the rafts. Hurry! Get down the slide now. Keep her steady. Swimmer in the water. Basket down. Survivor incoming. Hold on tight! Evacuate! Everyone to the back! Move!
We're sinking! Oh my God!
Stay calm! Move to the exits!
You're safe now, madam. Take my hand.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. It's gone. I can't believe it. We made it.